See in 100 seconds, Preprocessor Directives. Watch this hash define on line 3. PI gets replaced with 3.14 everywhere in the code, before the compiler even sees it. This one on line 6 is a macro with a parameter. See the x in parentheses, square of 5 becomes 5 times 5 at compile time. Now inside main, watch how we use PI and max size like regular values. The preprocessor swaps them out before compilation. Here is ifdef debug on line 13. This block only compiles if debug is defined. Watch. We have an else branch for when it is not. The ifndef on line 17 closes the block. Only one branch makes it into the final program. The other is completely removed. See ifndef on line 19. That is, if not defined. If version does not exist yet, we define it here as 1.0.0. This hash, if on line 24, tests a value. Since we defined max size as 100, the greater than 50 check is true large buffer mode. Watch the compile command, plain GCC, with no flags. Debug is not defined, so the ifdef block will pick the else branch. See the output debug mode is OFF because we did not define debug. Version is 1.0, and large buffer mode because max size is 100. Now watch this second compile. See the -d, debug flag. That defines debug from the command line, no code change needed. Now it says debug mode is ON. Same source code, different compile flag. That is the power of conditional compilation. Next up, structs.